Good morning students. This is our third video of lesson 2. In our previous class, we have studied about balanced diet and diseases. So, let's have a recap. Balanced diet means the meal or diet which contains all essential nutrients required by the body in proper proportion. That means our diet must contain carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral, luggage, water in proper proportion. Now diseases. Diseases means when our body does not working properly. Such condition of body is called diseases. These diseases can be caused due to eating of unbalanced diet or due to microbes like bacteria, viruses, or maybe due to lack of exercise. These are two types of diseases: non-communicable diseases and communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases means the diseases which do not spread from one person to another person. We have studied some non-communicable diseases in our previous class, like night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets, goiter, and anemia. Now, night blindness. It is caused due to lack of vitamin A in our diet. People who suffering from night blindness cannot see in dim light. So, to prevent this disease, we have to eat green leafy vegetable like spinach, cabbage, etc. Now, beriberi. Beriberi disease is caused due to lack of vitamin B1 in our diet. People suffering from this disease have scaly skin, extreme weakness and weak muscles. To prevent this disease, we have to eat milk, egg, meat, green leafy vegetable, etc. Scurvy. This disease is caused due to the lack of vitamin C in our food. People suffering from this disease have bleeding gums and swelling gums. Citrus fruits like lemon, avla, orange, tomatoes are the sources of vitamin C. To prevent this disease, we have to eat all these things daily. Next disease we have studied in is rickets. It is caused due to lack of vitamin D in our diet. People suffering from this disease have bent legs and bent backbone. People have to eat milk, fish, egg to prevent this disease. Now, goiter. It is caused due to lack of iodine in our diet. In this disease, the gland which is present in our neck swells up like a ball. To prevent this disease, we have to eat seafood like prawns, fish and iodized salt. Iodized salt contain iodine, so we can prevent this disease. Last one is anemia. It is caused due to lack of iron in our diet. Iron helps to produce red blood cells in blood. People feel weak and tired due to this less number of red blood cell in blood. So, to prevent this disease, we should eat green leafy vegetables like spinach, fruits like apple, cereals, meat, liver, etc. All these are deficiency diseases. Means these diseases are caused due to lack of some nutrients in our body. Today we will study about communicable diseases. Communicable disease means the diseases which is spread from one infected person to another healthy person by means of air, water, food or by direct contact. These diseases caused by some microorganisms. These microorganisms are commonly called germs. We cannot see these germs with our naked eyes. These germs that causes the diseases are bacteria, viruses, protozoa, etc. Some diseases caused by these germs are typhoid, cholera, plague, pneumonia, tuberculosis, meningitis, etc. These diseases caused by bacteria. The diseases caused by viruses are common cold, flu, chickenpox, measles, polio, AIDS, rabies, etc. Nowadays, coronavirus is causing respiratory diseases. Some another microbes which cause diseases in our body are protozoa. Protozoa causes dysentery, amoebic dysentery, malaria, dengue, etc. Some fungi grow on our skin and causes some diseases like ringworm, athlete's foot, etc. Okay. These are some diseases caused by microorganisms. It means by means of germs. These germs are spread through air, food, water or by direct contact with sick person. Such diseases which are spread from one sick person to another healthy person by air, water are called communicable disease. Now we will study about how these communicable diseases spread. I have already told these diseases are spread through air, water, food, insect bite or by direct contact with sick person. So first of all, see diseases which spread through air. Many communicable diseases spread through air. A person suffering from cough or common cold when sneezes or coughs in front of healthy person, the germs enter in his body through the air. In this way, healthy person also get infected. The germs of diphtheria, tuberculosis, viral fever, measles, chickenpox and coronavirus travel through air and infect healthy person. Some diseases are spread through food and water. The diseases such as typhoid, diarrhea, cholera, jaundice are spread through contaminated food and water. Food and water get infected with germs when they are not stored properly. So, we should always keep our food and water covered so they don't get contaminated by flies and germs. Some diseases spread through insect bite. The diseases like malaria, dengue are spread through mosquito bite. When female Anopheles mosquito bite a sick person, it picks up germs from him, and then when it bites a healthy person, the germs enter into the blood of healthy person. Thus, a healthy person also get infected by the mosquito and fly and fall sick. Female Anopheles mosquito spread a disease called malaria. Female Anopheles mosquito spread malaria. Aedes mosquito spread a disease called dengue. Aedes mosquito spread dengue disease. Some diseases spread through direct contact with a sick person, like through clothing or articles of sick person. The diseases like chickenpox, measles, whooping cough, ringworms spread through direct contact. If we will use clothes of infected person, we will also get those diseases. In this way, we will get infected by these diseases. So, we have studied here some of the diseases spread through air, water, food and by the direct contact of infected person. This is all for today's class, children.